Hey team, Spencer here from Nolathane. You've probably heard of a fixed offset upper control arm before, but the question is, why is it important and do you need one? The reality is, if you've either lifted or lowered your vehicle, especially lifting modern four-wheel drives, you probably need a fixed offset upper control arm to get your suspension alignment optimal. As soon as you lift your four-wheel drive, your upper control arm droops, immediately throwing off your camber and caster angles. So a fixed offset upper control arm is actually a fixed ball joint location that is offset in camber and caster specifically for your vehicle. All Nolathane fixed offset upper control arms are designed to offset the camber and caster to correct your steering geometry for a 2 to 3 inch lift. So this is a factory control arm, usually identifiable because it's just a pressed piece of steel. As you can see, there's no adjustment range here between where it mounts and the actual ball joint. This is a fixed offset control arm. Usually these are a tube style of steel, allowing a greater range of movement, as well as the actual ball joint is offset from the mounting locations. So why is it important to fit a fixed offset upper control arm? As you've changed the suspension geometry, your camber and caster are probably maxed out. You're going to be scrubbing out tyres for days. Tyres are not cheap, especially on lifted four-wheel drives. So you'll just pay for these arms once. They're an easy bolt-in DIY job, whether it's at home or in the workshop. And these fixed offset upper control arms are built tough, are indeed in Brisbane, powder coated, and all of your Nolathane bushes are a lifetime warranty with a 3-year 60,000K warranty on the ball joints. So if you've lifted your vehicle, for handling, alignment and tyre wear, make sure you run in and get yourself a pair of the Nolathane fixed offset upper control arms to complete your suspension system.